In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a milestone in Monday.com. Milestones are perfect for marking key dates in your projects, like deadlines, launch days, or any important checkpoint you want to track. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to set one up quickly and clearly, so you can keep your team aligned and your timeline easy to follow. First, make sure you're on the correct board in Monday.com where you want to add your milestone. This might be a project board, a campaign board, or any workspace where you're tracking tasks and dates. Once your board is open, look for the plus sign, usually found at the top of a group or in the area where you add new columns or fields. Go ahead and click on the plus sign. This is what opens up the options for adding new data to your board. After clicking the plus sign, you'll see a list of different column types you can add. From that list, select Timeline. The timeline column is designed specifically for tracking dates or date ranges, which is exactly what you need for milestones. By using a timeline column, your milestone will not only appear in your item list, but it can also be visualized on any timeline or Gantt-style view you use later. Once the timeline column has been added to your board, locate the row or item that you want to turn into a milestone. It could be a task called Project Launch, Client Review, or any key deliverable. In that row, under the New Timeline column, click on the area that says Set Date, or looks like an empty date field. When you click on it, a calendar will pop up. Now, choose the specific date or your milestone from the calendar. If the system allows a start and end date, you can either select a single day by clicking just one date, or set a short range if your milestone spans more than one day. For most milestones, a single date works best, since they usually represent a specific point in time. After you select the date, confirm your choice by clicking outside the calendar or using the confirm option, depending on your interface. Your milestone date is now saved in the timeline column. From here, you'll be able to see it on your board, filter by date, and visualize it on timeline views to keep your schedule on track.